Now, to start off with our thing 1 and thing 2 picture, we're going to begin right here in about the middle of our paper. And I want to start by making a sad face right here in the middle. So all you want to do is find the middle, make a line that curves up, and then comes down like this. Now on each end of here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out. So I'm just going to make a little line that goes out on each side. Kind of looks like an upside down horseshoe. Next, we're going to take this line and we're going to curve it down. So we'll take this and I'm going to curve it down on each side. Next, we want to connect this with a nice curved line. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to go down and I'm going to curve it up in kind of like a smiley face shape. Next, inside of here we're going to add the eyes of our thing 1 or thing 2. All you want to do is draw a circle here, and then you're going to make another circle right over here. Inside of each one, I'm going to color in a small black dot for the pupil of the eye. In between the eyes, you want to make a small little oval shape for the nose. Then you're going to add a little curved line on top of each one for the eyebrows, and you can make any type of fun eyebrow that you want. Starting here, we're going to make a nice big smiley face for the mouth. So we're going to make a nice big line that curves up and down. And on each end, I'm going to add a little line like this. Underneath the mouth, I'm going to make a little curved line for the chin. Now, starting here, we're going to make the neck. I'm going to draw 2 little lines that go down. Then right underneath there, we're going to add a little oval shape for the collar of their shirt. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that curves down, and then another little line that curves down. Now right here, I'm going to add a big half circle shape like this. And inside of here, you can write thing 1, or you can write thing 2, or whatever number you want to make. So I'm going to put that right inside of here. Now starting here, we want to make the hair. And the hair is kind of the fun part because you can add any type of hair lines that you want to. I'm just going to start here and I'm just going to make some really long, kind of crazy, spiky hair that goes all the way around here. So I'm just going to make some crazy type of hairlines all around here for my thing 1. And there you go, there is your drawing of your thing 1 or thing 2 character. Now the next step is for us to color this.